Hello everyone. So this is our basic setup of our project. So here we have integrated our script.js file in line number 7, which is in our same folder. So this is plain in our HTML file. We have added this script file. So this script file is here. We can see. So we have linked here, and this is just a plain text we are rendering in the body of our HTML file, and this is our script.js. So here if we see, this is the output which we are getting in our HTML file which we have added here. And to verify our script is connected properly, we will just add a simple console.log to test our JavaScript connection. Yeah, here we can see our test message. But this error, you can ignore it. This is coming from some other things here. So we will just filter out our this thing error by the we will remove the error from here. Yeah, so now we can see our output is coming properly. So we will go ahead and try to understand the problem statement here. So our problem statement is to reverse a string. So if we are given with any string, we have to reverse. Here we can see in ABCD is given, so we will return the EDCBA, so which will be the our output of the function. So let's write a function here. So we will be going via the arrow function. So we are creating a function like reverse string, and it will be a arrow function, and this is the body of function. So now let's call this function so that we can verify if it is giving us proper result or not. Currently it's not implemented, but let's keep our setup ready so that we can call it and pass some data from here. So it will accept a single parameter that will be a string which we want to reverse. So let's pass some dummy string here. So same string we can pass here, ABCDE. I think, yeah. So we will get this return in a variable, and we will try to print that variable in the second line. Yeah. And so here we can see we will just do a console.log for this variable, and now we will start the implementation of the method. So here we have used this curly bracket because like we want to print a object. So this is a key value pair which will be like more readable in the console. So what variable we are printing and what is the value there. So we will see once we print our output there. So let's see. So first of all, we will split our string which we are getting as a parameter. Once we split this string, it will be converted into the character array. So we have given name accordingly. So once we apply the split method on a string, it will give us the array, which will be the character by character. And so we have not passed any character in the split function here, right? So it will just parse it by character and split into the array. So once we have this array, we will just try to print it, and here in the output we can see its object, and here it is giving us the output as a ABCD. So it is splitted, whatever we have passed from there. So once we have a splitted array, we will try to reverse it. So we know that in JavaScript our array has a reverse method which will be reversing our array. The same logic we can apply here. So on this method we can apply reverse method, and we are putting here question mark to avoid the null issue. Means sometime if our variable is null and we are not putting question mark, it will break our application. So on this array we are applying this thing here, reverse method. So let's see, let's apply it on this method here, this array, and it will get reversed. Once it is reversed, let us print its value if we are reversing it properly. And yeah. So if we save it and we will see the output, and here we can see that EDCBA we are getting as the array element. So it is reversed now. So now we will try to join these characters of the array using the dot join method, which we can apply on the array. Yeah, so the reverse string will be a reversed character dot join method. So whatever the delimiter we want to pass, we can pass here. Like we are not passing anything, so it is an empty array, empty string. So it will combine our string by character. It will give us the final string. And here we can see EDCBA as a output. So this seems to be fine. And suppose we are giving some other delimiter here, so it will be adding this thing within our after each and every element. So this will be like we can play around on this thing here. So I think this is our final implementation of the method, and we are getting the expected output. Also, we can pass a different string to check if it is working properly. So let's pass some other thing here. Yeah, like I love India. So let's see what the output we are getting. So that is the correct one. So let's change for some other variable like ABCD 1 2 3 4, and let's see what output we are getting. So I think this is also fine only. Okay, I think that's all for this video. So to be updated on our content, so please subscribe to our channel so that you can be updated in future.